We light up the world.
So it's day 4 of the cruise slash vlog. We're going to Jamaica today and it's gonna be really fun. Basically we're going and exploring the waterfalls and water dunes, I don't really know. And then we're gonna go to a beach. My mom actually, she got the times a little bit mixed up, and since her phone is still on cellular roaming, her phone said it was 7 a.m. when we woke up, but really it was 6 a.m. Ship time. So basically she woke us up an hour earlier than we had to wake up, and once I'm like woken up, I can't really go back to sleep. So I've just kind of been up for the past hour just chilling. So I'll show you guys the mainland. Okay, but that was so risky. Guys, I'm literally so excited, and also I think I did get like a little bit of a tan on my face, which is so unusual. Like, I'm literally shocked still. But yeah, my nose is really burnt. It doesn't look burnt in the mirror, but it kind of looks burnt on camera. But like, whatever, it's fine. But I'm gonna be in the sun so much these next couple days too. So I really love my outfit today. This like a little top from Tilly's and then my white shorts from Tilly's. So it's like a newer outfit, newer fit, you know. I'm literally gonna come back and I'm gonna be so tan. Everyone's gonna be like, bruh. So for breakfast, I had bagel and then I'm having some coffee right now. I'm talking to my phone. Talking to the subscribers.
How many subscribers do you have?
I don't know the current update, but like I think 100.
I think like 85.
More.
I don't think 100. 8,000.
So I slept on my braids last night, and I don't know what happened, but they have like kinks in them. It's kind of funny. I'll probably have someone rebraid my hair on the bus because it's like a 1.5 hour ride. So guys, we're at the main meeting seat, and we're gonna go do some shorter excursion. We're gonna go to the waterfalls. Wait, I look tanner than you.
Guys, like I have like, nah, she does, but
our noses are the same color.
I'm pale.
Me too. Wait, compare. Ready?
Alright, let's see. Who finds the first strong girl here?
This one's a 9, this one's an 8.25.
Jake, let's see who finds the first strong girl.
Ready? Oh, it's so warm! We're officially in Jamaica! Woo! So we're about to go on a 1.5 hour car ride.
That's rough.
Fun! Actually, I drive an hour to the rink every day, so it's really not that bad for me, but for these little chicas, we have matching sunglasses. Ready? 3, 2,
No, hold on.
3, 2, 1. Oh. We'll do it on, ready? 3, 2,
1.
oh, hey!
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Jamaica.
We didn't do it in sync. Ready?
Bella, you're back here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. We have to take a 2-hour bus ride. Hi. Jack, say hi. Hi. I have white shorts on and I'm literally sitting on the floor of a dirty bus, but it's fine. We got braids for days, boys. Let's go.
we credit Christopher Columbus for planting.
Do it for the vlog.
I'll
Do it for the
try.
vlog. So we still have like another hour left on this bus. I'm eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm starving. We were just playing like card games. I braided my hair. Yeah, we still have another hour left, so probably just gonna play
I literally
cards.
fall asleep. I literally could.
I'm not tired.
I am.
I woke up at 6 and I'm not really that tired. Shoe game strong.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say I'm on.
So we're on the way back right now. My white shorts are gonna get really wet and dirty. My skin's getting really clear. So how do you get there? Look how big this ship is. Like I'm always running from there all the way to there. Like that's actually a really long way. So that was like really fun. The waterfall and everything was really cool today. But we had to drive a total of like 4+ hours. It was so much driving. Like we probably did more driving than we did actually like being there. So it kind of sucked, but
We did because we've been there for 7 hours, so we only had 3 hours to do stuff.
yeah. So Belle's doing my eyebrows right now.
What's up, chicas?
Look how so guys, we're currently at dinner. I went a little full out today, but it's fine. I have hoop earrings today. I did a low pony with, and my hair's kind of like curly, and then I have a denim skirt on, and it's kind of really tight. But how so, like, oh. It tastes like absolutely nothing. Yeah, normally desserts on vacation don't taste like anything. Like I don't really know why that is, but maybe our taste buds are too tan that can't taste. I don't know. Unless
These cookies are bomb though.
Oh yeah, for sure. Why is this one problem? Whatever. Okay. Literally all my vlogs are just us eating dessert. It's literally true. So this is a chocolate mousse. What's that?
This is like a passion fruit, and then these are cookies.
Cookies. Oh, at least back with the ice cream.
Yeah, guys, I got ice cream.
Okay, so these are our friends from Kids Club. This is Sophia.
Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm the best one.
That's Mac. This is Callie.
I'm sorry, I'm the best one here. Why am I not being shown?
Okay.
Thank you.
This is Hannah.
Oh my.
Max,
I
stop.
will throw the boy.
He's throwing popcorn at us.
That is not what
Oh my god.
That is what she
he just used.
We're watching like Jumanji. So guys, we just met some friends at the Kids Club, which we've been trying to do for days now, so we're actually like really pumped.
Wait, guys, can you take some pictures for me tomorrow?
Okay, you can barely see this, but we found another ship over there. It's more clear for us. You can't really see it at all because my phone sucks. Wait, is it my phone or is it the... Wait, it's the... I think it's the lighting. Watch out.
Get a better view.
Wait, we need pictures. I forgot about that. Okay, but yeah.
Are you guys coming tomorrow? Just puts me in shock.
No, but he was definitely, he was hitting more on.
Okay,
He was...
well, there's